Well, one of us is sweating right now. Actually, I might be sweating. That's just because it's hot out. But somebody worked their butt off, so I don't know if we got any video of the in process. Did you get one of pouring concrete?
I did not.
I did not either. Yeah, I did. I videotaped the rebar. Yep. Senior moment. All right, gonna show you the park bench here at Kemp. Here we go. Flipped around. Got some caution tape around it because the blocks, little concrete blocks we put all the way around the edge, we glued those together. We're letting the adhesive dry. So this is the finished product. And there's the creek that Jennifer loves to sit next to and listen to. We got a little color flashed in here. So Kemp Park, here it is, finished product. Tiger was walking through Lowe's and said, hey, it's a dog park. What about putting a little mascot next to the bench? I was like, good idea. Everybody here pretty much walks their dogs. Anyway, hope everybody enjoys it. Jennifer, here's your new bench. Adios.